Hi, it's Bai here. So glad you are here. At this moment, I want to give you a review for very amazing software. The name of this software is Affiliate Maximizer. And this is a 3-in-1 self-substanting traffic and sale ecosystem. Before I introduce this wonderful product, I have I want to give you an amazing bonus I set together to combine with this product, and that is you can get more traffic, how to use this product, and also you can use this how can earn more money online, and also how can you get a quick start. So I introduce you the bonuses I get together for you. So here I want to show you my bonuses I get together for this product. So if you click the button below, and you can buy this product and also get my bonuses. And this is bonus. This product is launched from today until Saturday, 22 January. So also my bonuses, you'll be with time on time, and you can. It is also finished until 22 January. So with on time. So this product Affiliate Maximizer. That is what is everything all about. And that is you get traffic very easy and get a profit, and that is everything. Here is everything about price and upsells. And you can this product is $12.95 no dollar, and you can also, if you upsells Affiliate Maximizer Unlimited is normally 47, and now is downsell for 27. And Upsells 2 is down for you 97 normally price, and now is down price is get my DFI Affiliate Maximizer system. That is just insert your affiliate link and clone my winning affiliate marketing system. Upsell 3, and that is also normally price is $67, and now it's down sell 37. You can get 100 resell right to Affiliate Maximizer. And upsell number 4, Affiliate Maximizer VIP. That is normally $497, and that is some awesome keys and benefit you may be interested in getting the Affiliate Maximizer. So you get paid $297 for simply using the phone. 20 real beta testers get a result within the first 12 hours. No experience or complicated setup required. Once you activate it, fertile traffic starting coming. No paid ads involved, and 100% fail-proof way to making money online. The intro, I can later play this, and you can understand more. And now I want to introduce more about the product. Bonuses I make the finish for you, and that is you can get access backlink warrior. That is the first 24 hours only. So you can get this bonuses. And number 2, and that is Affiliate Maximizer, and that is also learn how to get better conversions. And bonuses number 3, and you can get the how to explode your YouTube channel. And bonuses number 4 is Boomerang and Body Pro, and that is also very good for this product. And number 5 is a special bonus to take action today. That is all vendor bonuses. And also I have a special bonuses for you. That is get traffic to affiliate Maximazer using this method. Also extra bonus is the underground, the secret to get traffic for your Maximizer using this underground method. So if you click this button below, and you will get all the bonuses on time. And now I want to introduce how this software, how it works.
Hey, what is up? This is Robin Palmer. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get started using Affiliate Maximizer. And here on the left side, you're going to be able to see your Maximizer pages. You're going to be able to see the list of pages. You can build your pages. Here, you can rebrand your videos. Now, the cool thing about this system is that you can actually create your bonus pages first. And if you want to showcase your bonus pages, for example, inside your review videos, you can do that. And then once you have your video ready, you can go to the list pages and then you can just add the videos to these bonus pages. So once that is done, let's say this is the one. This is one that I've created recently. You click on customize video, and here what you can do is you essentially name what you want to name this player. You insert your YouTube URL. You click if you want to rebrand or no. I'm going to click yes. You can select between all of these different skins. You can have it set to autoplay, yes or no. I usually use no for autoplay. Then I usually like to show the controls. And here you can add a custom thumbnail URL. Now you can get that thumbnail if we head over to YouTube. You can grab any kind of YouTube URL. Let's say this one here. I click the right button, I copy the link address, and then I go and search get thumbnail YouTube. This is the one that I usually use. You paste here that link for that video. You click on get YouTube thumbnail, and you're going to get the thumbnail. So now you basically just copy this here, copy this, you go back here, and you just insert that here. I'm not going to do that right now because this is actually live. It's a campaign that I'm running, but that is how this works. It can be any link containing the thumbnail, but this is how I usually do it. And then here I click on responsive, and then I click on save and preview video. I'm not going to do that right now because this is going to save these settings here. But as you can see, it looks like this. So if I click on this video, you can see that it has no YouTube rebranding. And at the end, it just ends this video. It's not going to forward people to another YouTube video, which is going to prevent you from leaking traffic, which in turn is going to make you more commissions, more sales. You're not going to lose that traffic. But first of all, you want to start with going to build page, and here you insert the name of the product, for example, the affiliate directive. And then here you add your affiliate link, and then you add your images. You can either upload or just add a specific link. That's basically how you do it. Now I'm just doing this as an example. Then here you have the product bullet points. Then you add your name, then your email, then you click on your image that you want to use. Let's select this one here. Then the product description. I'm going to grab this from this product that I'm promoting. So first of all, I'm going to add this here. And then you want to be sure to add, if you want to do that, of course, the details. I'm going to do that here. If you want to make a space, you can do that like this, and so on. And here, what you can do is just add your YouTube thumbnail URL. And here, if you have the video ready, you can add that here. I'm going to do that. And I'm just going to select this to Twitter, autoplay, no. Show controls, yes. Custom thumbnail URL. I'm going to see which one is this. So I'm going to go back to get thumbnail YouTube, add that here. And I'm going to grab this here. I go back, and this is the custom thumbnail. Now for the bonuses, I have different backgrounds here that you can use. You can select the same. I'm going to use the number 23, and I'm going to set the same colors. I'd like to match the colors for the product like this. And then here you can, if you want as well, use custom images, but I just use these, and then I'm going to add some bonuses here. The system is actually adding some of the previous bonus that I've used, not the actual bonuses. I'm talking about the actual text. But so if you have similar bonuses, you can use this function here as well, and something like this. Here you can set the value like this and so on. The countdown timer, you can set this from no to 7 days. And then here, that's basically all you have to do. You can change the color here, background and digits here, if you want to do that. And then you basically just click on save and preview. Now, here you have the opportunity to change a couple of things. The background image, the main banner, the arrow image here, the button image, which are these ones here, and the text color. So I'm going to change the buttons here. Can play around with this a little bit. Can leave this as it is. The arrow image, I can also change that. There are different options here. And here, if you want to change the background, you can upload or just paste the image URL. Now, my recommendation here, because of how the system works, is to change these 4 things first and then add the background image. That's basically how you want to do this. You paste your image URL here. So I'm going to go to this product and I'm going to find the sales page background. I'm going to grab the background image. This is the one. I copy this. I go back here and I paste this here and I click on save. And as you can see here, it looks pretty cool and fast. And now we can preview this. Now, the cool thing about this is that the free users, and in this case, you are depending on the membership that you have. If you are a free user, 20% of the traffic is going to go to a main traffic pool, which means that if you send 100 visitors to this bonus page, 20 visitors are going to go to a traffic pool. And from the traffic pool, that traffic is going to be distributed to all the pro users. If you're a pro user, you get 100% of the traffic and you get the additional benefit of getting the traffic from that traffic pool. So there's 2 things essentially. There is this viral bonus page builder plus the videos here, which is going to be rebranded. And you can use this, of course, on your bonus pages, but you can also use this embedded on any other page that you want. So if we go here and we click on this one here, if you want, you can copy the embed code here. And now we have the code, and I'm going to open a new notepad here. You have this embed code that you can use on your sales pages, for example. So this is essentially how this works. It's a very powerful system. I'm using it for my own promotions, and I definitely think this is going to benefit your campaigns, and it's going to get, I think, great results. So once again, thank you for watching this and talk to you soon.